So Samsung doing something interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. I'm joking. Now, they are going to create custom games, and they're working with Epic Games, and they create a whole entire Chinese task force here, pretty much, to create these games, or not task force, I guess, dev team, to create these games that are fully optimized for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. No, they're not making an Xbox Game Pass device like Microsoft did. They're actually trying to make this actually a good device, okay? And I mean, like, for the masses. Because me personally, I love this phone more than anything. I love this. This is my baby. Like, I could leave me alone. No, I love this phone. But the problem is, of course, is the fact that, for the majority of people out there, when they look at the $1,800 price tag, they don't love it either, right? They don't love that phone. And with the small, skinny screen, they're already kind of turned off by it. Yes, it's the most premium platinum phone on the market right now. If you want to go out there and get an affordable phone, this is the top dog out there, right? Obviously, the Google Pixel Fold came out, but the Google Pixel Fold is a first-gen product. This is polished. This is unique. This is ready to go. If you're going to spend your money, you're getting all your money's worth with this phone. So Samsung now is like, listen, we need to find a way to get this phone to the masses. They've already offered discounts. They've already offered promotional things where you can trade in devices. They offer the ability to get special bonuses when you buy the device. They're trying everything they can right now to get people to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 5. But again, the problem is, it's the $1,800, and they think, this iPhone right here, very similar to a lot of people. This bad boy right here costs around $700, $800. It's hard. It's a hard sell for any company to make, especially Samsung here for an $1,800 phone. So they're trying everything they can here. And that method is trying to create optimized applications, meaning games, for the Z Fold 5. And I'll be honest with you, I think this is a smart idea, but I will also say I don't think it's going to work. And I'm not trying to be Debbie Downer here. I would love to be optimistic, but my problem is, right, how much does people truly game on their phones nowadays? Like, truly to a point that they spend $1,800 on a exclusive product like a cell phone just so they could game on the go. Because you're not selling this to kids, obviously. And kids are probably the demographic who are most likely to game on the phone. So if you're not selling this idea/concept to kids, who are you selling it to? The guys my age, 20 to 30, who are, usually just gaming all day. They work, do their job, come home, game the rest of the night. Are they going to be on the phone gaming on their Galaxy Z Fold 5 when they have a PS5 Series X or a PC that has more power than this cell phone right here does? Are they going to be gaming at work? Probably not. Because a lot of people I know, at least me personally, my age group, I would say, who could afford this phone, who, again, it still costs a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but that kind of age group might actually buy it. Well, they're not going to be, they might be working at a warehouse, or they're working at like a grocery store or food, stuff. They're not going to be spending $1,800 and, they're not going to be gaming at their job. So, and then when they get home, they don't want to sit there on the phone. They have a TV. They have an Xbox or a Series X or a PC. They're going to be gaming on that PS5. So, who is the target audience? Like, again, if this phone was $1,200, $1,100, $1,000, and you say, hey, listen, guys, we are also going to be offering custom games that are truly optimized for the Z Fold 5. I would be like, okay, so that's now targeting kind of, again, 20 to 30-year-olds, and maybe some kids depending on Christmas and, birthday money. But when you start talking about $1,800, it gets to a point where even parents aren't gonna buy this for their kids, for a birthday or Christmas. So I will say overall wise, I do like the fact that Samsung is trying their best to make this phone as marketable and as obtainable and wantable, I guess you'd say, as possible for the general consumer, right? Not just tech guys like me or you who love this phone because we love foldable phones, but this is now more for the younger demographic. The problem is, younger demographic usually doesn't have money like this, especially not $1,800 to spend on a phone. I mean, if you have to pay rent, you have to pay bills, you have to pay car insurance. Car insurance alone is like $400 or $500. You gotta pay let's say a car bill, plus health insurance, plus all this stuff. Like, there's so much you're spending that I don't think anyone's gonna reasonably look at a phone and say, "Yeah, I want to spend $1,800 because this phone has custom games that are customized for the phone." When you can go buy a Switch for $300 or Xbox Series S for $250, or a PC you can build. PC a little bit more expensive, but a PS5 for like $450, $400 on secondhand websites. Like, there's just no reason to even go after a Z Fold 5, even if they do have customized games. Again, I'm not trying to be Debbie Downer here. I just want to be realistic here, that I don't think this is really anything special. Like, if you have a Z Fold 5, this is cool, right? This is cool. This is awesome. And this is going to help out the consumer base who actually has a Z Fold 5, like myself, who wants to play games on it. And I do play games on it, right? That's awesome. But if I didn't have a Z Fold 5 and I heard, oh, Samsung's optimizing applications for your Z Fold devices, I wouldn't be sitting here jumping for joy thinking, oh my gosh, this is the best thing ever. I'd be like, okay, like, I'm sorry, but I don't have $1,800 to game on a Samsung. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not really something I would really be too excited about. But again, it is Samsung trying their best here to provide the best experiences possible for the average consumer. And I always gotta, give them a for that, right? If you're trying to help us out, trying to help out the average consumer to, get the best product possible, which, let's be honest, at the end of the day, I love the Google Pixel Fold the most. I made a video yesterday about it. It's still my favorite foldable phone of all time besides the Surface Duo 1. But the most polished, platinum, perfect device is this one right here. This is the most platinum. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and that's the one you want to get. Everything about this device is perfect. The hinge is perfect. Obviously, everything about it is perfect. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.